I told my coworkers that if they were gonna have any of the Grillo's pickles that they sent me, they must be in a video rating their crunch. Oh my god, the screaming. Everyone, ready for the pickles?
Yes.
Okay. Trying the hot.
Oh, the crunch.
No, time.
I'm Emma. This is a hot, and this is the crunch. Like a 5.
I'm Brooke, and let's see.
Oh, that was good. 7.
You want to guess the flavor of my pickle crunch? .69.
My name is Lauren, and this is my rating of the pickle crunch. Like a 7 too.
My name is Lexi, and this is my pickle crunch. That was like an 8 with some drool.
This.
Pickle de gallo.
Sorry. Oh my god.
Oh, none of us have tried it. I thought Lauren was gonna join me, and then she got scared.
Okay. Let's.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God!
Very good.
Uh-huh.
Oh my god, that's
I failed.
delicious.